peoples, this is Erin Sebastian, and this is my reflection of what I learned in our Integrated Science 1 class for the first quarter. Significant figures kind of confuse me when it comes to zeros. Zero type 2. Teacher kind of explained it afterwards. I chose this as my first artifact because it is fabulous. Like, I consult this almost every day whenever I compute for my homeworks and stuff. This is treasure. In almost every activity, significant figures, that lesson, it is incorporated. So, it is very important to learn about significant figures. I really learned a lot in this. Like, I had this misconception that both percent error and deviation tell accuracy, but no. So I got a low score. And yes, it really is a milestone doing my first lab work with serious work, because in elementary we had some lab, but what we do is just, hey, this is a beaker. Okay, yes, it's a beaker. It's a beaker. This also told me that in integrated science, you do not cram. Okay, so let's continue. We had this activity. It's Skill Builder 2, and bam, here's Artifact 3. As you can see, only numbers 1, 2, 3 have checks, because teacher only asked us to do those, but if we can do number 4, and I thought I can. And yeah, so I had this misconception about scientific notation. This is the correct one. For example, 0.0123. You can't just do 123 times 10 to the negative 4. You must do this. And it's kind of an achievement learning the proper scientific notation, because back when I was in elementary, I was kind of confident with my scientific notation. But no, it must have been hilarious. Okay, so speaking of elementary confidence, back when I was in elementary, I was also confident with my metric system knowledge. And it's kind of embarrassing right now to not know the nano, the pico, the iota, not even the micro. To continue, I'm showing you some of our activities. This may seem confusing, but this paper is the best and at the same time the worst of my activities. Who loves time pressure? Here are the things that I like about the class. Number 1, you won't get sleepy at all, because A, you really need to listen, and B, the course isn't boring. 2, laboratory. You mix chemicals, this one bubbles, and like, ever since I was a child, I'm still a child, I was interested in laboratory. Like,
you mix this orange chemical with the blue one, then it becomes pink.
The things that I just kind of dislike about this class. Again. Who likes time pressure? Pressure might be some sort of gone if the activity given for the day fits the day.